Today is Sunday, the 19th of February. I took off the sliding doors. These are the ones on the south wall where I'd installed the block flush with the outer wall. I'm glad I did that. This one's going to be kind of difficult. This has been caulked really good with my good caulk, and I got to get all that off so my new caulk will stick. Also smooth out this here. I got some probably 6-inch flashing, comes in a roll, metal galvanized, and just run a piece of flashing down this to cover up this void, then paint over it. It'll look real nice. Gonna be some wind noise probably. So here's all my dog panels. They'll be going into the back of the truck. I got an old roll of chicken wire. Same thing. Everything go in the back of the truck. Go to the scrapyard sometime next week. Finished all my fiberglassing. That's this area here. I got rains that are coming this week. I want to get that done. Here's more fiberglassing over here. More wind noise, I'm sure. So, unless I'm just blind as a bat, I think I got all the repairs done where I had rust through on the bottom of the walls. And looks like it's going to be okay. And this is the old chicken coop and chicken yard. And once I got rid of the chickens, it'd been on my list to clean out the chicken coop, but I never got around to doing it. So I said, I'll do it. Okay. So she's been working hard. She's probably recovered 200 pounds of chicken manure. She's got a little bit more to go. Like I said, she worked hard at it. There's concrete down here. It's part of the dog kennels. That's where I blanked off the sliding doors. And I was concerned about security of the building with just these sheet metal panels. Now it is 16 gauge, so it's pretty stout. And I got 13 concrete screws per panel, plus that real good silicone. It's also an adhesive when it sets. Somebody's going to break through these panels. They're going to work at it, I can tell you that right now. And I don't think they're ever going to make it through. So that's taken care of. So I don't have to worry with that no more. Of course, on the south wall, I got the concrete block in place, so they're not coming through there at all. And again, like I said, they can drive a vehicle through the wall of the building. If they want in bad enough, they probably will. So, yeah, my wife's worked real hard at this. And free fertilizer nowadays, that's pretty significant. So, yeah, we'll bag it up in trash bags and take her home. Put it on the vegetable gardens. That's about all for this one. Thank you.